Hi viewers, today I'm going to show you how to remove this access panel that's on the side of the center console of a 2013 Honda CRV. Now there's one on each side, and the reason you'd want to remove this is probably to get access to the shifter. But in my case, I wanted to do this because I bought a wireless phone holder. That's here on the driver's side. And I've routed the cable over in behind the steering wheel, and I've tucked it in here. I don't want to push it all the way inside because I'm not sure what's in behind there, and I don't want it to interfere with the steering itself. And then runs down the side in here and all the way down, and then there's you can tuck it in behind this trim. I'm not sure if you can see it. You can tuck it in behind that panel, and then underneath here, and it sits underneath and runs all the way along underneath where that access panel is. You can tuck it in under here, all the way under. But to get to the 12-volt socket over here where the adapter is, I didn't want to run it across the front face here. I wanted it to be a bit neat and tidy, so I removed the panel and fed it through along as close as I could to the bottom to try and keep it away from anything in there. And then on the other side, each side there's an opening underneath here, and so the cable came out, and then I pop it up over here and into the adapter. So now I'll show you how I removed the panel. It's a little tricky this, because at first I started undoing the clip on this side and then trying to pull it out from the top, but there's this hard plastic lip on the inside that goes up all the way, and it's kind of wedged in quite deep in here, and it's hard to pull it out. So the way to do it is to start from the bottom here, and there's two clips here to remove, and then ones here. Now I've already loosened them because it's quite hard one hand, but you just got to go, and then you undo these ones, and then as you come into here, I tilt it to the right and pops out, and then do the same with the ones here, and I'll show you what it looks like once I've taken it out, and then pop these ones out, and once you've got them out, you can pull it down, and I can show you there's that lip that I'm talking about here. This ridge here, it's quite hard, so you can imagine that's wedged underneath, and I was trying to pull it out that way. So it's better to pop out the bottom ones and then pull it down. So this is what it looks like underneath. Actually, let's take it. So this is the way it came off. So on this side, we've got these two clips here. There's that top lip. Then there's one here, another one here, here, and here. So these ones are the ones that go inside some holes that are here. So in these holes here, and okay, and the other ones just wedge in behind, and that top lip goes under here. So, and to put it back in, you just do the opposite. Put the top in first, so at an angle, so once it's in, then it just clicks all in, and that's it. It's all clicked in. So just put the top in and then click it in, and all done. Anyway, hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.